na mga balita.
Welcome to Lukban, Quezon, home of the famous Pansit Habhab. How to eat Pansit Habhab 101. First, you need a plate. Then, put the right amount of Pansit Habhab. Please avoid leftovers. Then, get your tinidor and make tusok-tusok the famous Lukban Longganisa. Tasty, right? Now, for the main course, the Pansit Habhab. Use the tinidor and make ikot-ikot until the pansit is in the pot. Then, eat it. Wow, 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 wow! Ang laki naman ng subo nyo, sir! Do you know what makes Pansit Habhab more malinamnam? If you eat it straight from banana leaves. Look at Mrs. Pamakino. Delicious the pansit, no? Even Madam Riza is enjoying. Yummy! Wait! What is this? Madam Jambi is not eating her Pansit Habhab. How saucy! Kain na, Madam! Jambi! 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 Ay! Ayaw talaga. Baka naman naka-diet mode.